Hello everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome everyone back to my channel today. In this video, I'll be using a tool to post hundreds of stories to hundreds of different Facebook accounts. Okay, first we'll go into this tool. Next, we'll select the Post Story section and Post Personal Stories. Then we'll choose the accounts where we want to post stories. On this side, we'll set up the time from 30 to 40 seconds for posting one story. Next is the error retry up to 4 times, and we'll select the content that we've already entered here. Next, we'll select the story section, choose the video to post as a story, then save it. Next, we'll allow duplicate posts on these accounts, and we'll post personal posts in public mode. And each account will post one story. Next, after you've saved everything, you just need to click Start. And like that, all accounts will post to hundreds of Facebook accounts at the same time, with that same story. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a share. And don't forget, if you want to get this tool, message me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you all in the next video, and let's watch it post.